Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Wells, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you feeling excited to relocate to or from Wells? Then you must be finding it difficult to select the trusted movers. The first thing to consider while choosing your movers is the licenses and reputation in the market. And our licensed movers at 3 Movers ensure you scratch-free and on-time delivery. For the damage-free delivery of the goods, the packing techniques need to be efficient to offer complete safety. And for an ordinary man, it can be difficult to maintain the packaging standards as our Wells movers do. When it's about packing, our movers pay special attention to fragile items like your dishes, breakable showpieces, and artwork, since we know that you've invested your hard-earned money into buying these things. So to get a stress-free moving experience, to hire professional movers. Relocating in Wells, Maine within a radius of 100 miles is easy with the help of our local movers. Our local movers offer competitive prices for tailor-made plans. On the other hand, if you plan to organize the move yourself, then handling all the phases of the move process, like renting the trucks, loading and unloading, disassembling and assembling the heavy furniture. Therefore, instead of exhausting yourself mentally and physically, contact local moving companies to complete everything on time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wells Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.